I said earlier, this is my second year that I've been associated with the Fair and Lovely Foundation, and it's fantastic to be involved with the foundation who really provides financial support to young women across the country. The selection process, as you heard today, is quite intense, and the girls have an opportunity to gain financial assistance to pursue not just higher studying but also vocational training and start up businesses of their own. And I'm amazed to see how many women have benefited from the Fair and Lovely Foundation over the last 13 years since its inception. And Mrs. Poonawalla has been so actively involved in it. She's a force to reckon with herself, and it's amazing to come back year on year and support this and be part of it. The girls, I think, have been amazing. Like I said, I always love to come here and stand on the stage and see the girls before they receive their scholarships, because you really see how determined they have been in their quest for their education over the years. And this is an incredible moment for all of them. So there's so much of happiness, there's so many dreams in their eyes, that it's amazing to stand here and take that in. ऑफ कोर्स, और जैसे मिसेस पूनावाला ने पहले भी कहा था कि ये सिर्फ एक सोशल कॉर्पोरेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ही नहीं है. फेयर एंड लवली फाउंडेशन ने इस इनिशिएटिव को काफ़ी पहले स्टार्ट किया था, और इट्स फैंटास्टिक टू सी कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज कम फॉरवर्ड एंड रियली हेल्प वुमेन स्पेशली इन दिस कंट्री. और मैं मिसेस पूनावाला से पहले कह रही थी कि आज सोशल मीडिया पे दलाई लामा ने एक ट्वीट डाला है, और उन्होंने कहा कि द नीड ऑफ द आवर इज़ एजुकेशन. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट्स गोइंग टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड, नॉट जस्ट प्रेयर्स और रिलीजियस टीचिंग. And I've always been a really firm believer in that.
मैं भी यही कहूँगी कि I have been associated with this right from the inception, and it is really a unique foundation which goes all over the country and select the best of the best, and those who get this scholarship are really the best, and they will definitely make it in their life. And not only will they change their own life, but the life of their family, their siblings, and the society in which they live. And that is what is more important. It's not the 200 girls that are supported, it's the 200 families and the 200 communities that get supported by us.
अज़र बिल्कुल नहीं, अज़र रिलीज़ होने वाली है 13 मई पे, और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि सबके रिएक्शंस जो हैं ट्रेलर को देखकर काफ़ी अच्छे रिएक्शंस आए हैं. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड. बहुत मेहनत की है इस फिल्म पे. एक थोड़ी सी बड़ी सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है क्योंकि ये रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स पे बेस्ड है. सो यस, आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट अज़र. आई होप पीपल विल लाइक इट एंड गो एंड वॉच इट.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.